Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Low Point, and this is Anisha Babu. Our previous 3 sessions were on Muslim succession. Today we are dealing with the frequently asked questions on this topic. We have our Supreme Court of India's advocate on record, Mrs. Praseena Elizabeth Joseph, to clear our queries. So let's begin. So let's move on to our first question. When a Muslim son converts to another religion, will he get a share in his deceased Muslim father's property?
As per the Muslim personal law, when a Muslim son converts to another religion, he will not get a share in his deceased Muslim father's property. In order to tackle this limitation, the Caste Disabilities Removal Act of 1850 was brought into force in British India, and Section 3 of this Act abolished all such laws which were prohibiting rights of property inheritance of people converted to another religion. So, because of this act, a convert could still inherit the property of his deceased father. It's important to note herein that in the year 2017, this Caste Disabilities Removal Act, along with other 130 acts passed in British India, were repealed by the Indian Parliament. But the Repealing and Amending Act of 2017 clearly stated that though this act is repealed, the benefit a converted son gets in his father's property succession will continue and the personal law will not revive back. So, answer to your query is, even today, if a Muslim son converts to another religion, he will get a share in his deceased Muslim father's property.
So let's take a dive into our next question. If a son murders his father, will he get a share in his deceased father's property?
If son or heir of the deceased intentionally causes murder of the deceased, then under Sharia law, he will not inherit from the property of the deceased. However, if the death of the deceased was by an accident, then he will inherit the property of the deceased. Under Sunni law, it does not matter whether the death of the deceased was caused intentionally or unintentionally. The legal heir will be disqualified from inheriting the property of the deceased.
So let's take a quick look into our next question. What are the rights of the illegitimate children under Muslim succession law?
Legitimate children means children whose parents are validly married. Illegitimate children means children whose parents are not validly married. Under Sharia law, the illegitimate children cannot inherit from their father or mother. Similarly, the father and mother of the illegitimate child cannot inherit from the property of the illegitimate child. Under Sunni law also, illegitimate child cannot inherit from his father and father cannot inherit from his illegitimate child. However, Sunni law permits illegitimate child to inherit from his mother and her relatives. Please note herein that under section 125 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, an illegitimate child can seek maintenance from his father.
The last and the final question. We have different laws for property succession among different religions. Wouldn't it be better to have one single law for property succession for all religions?
Yes. Different personal laws for property succession among different religions certainly confuse and complicate. To avoid the same, Indian Constitution under Article 44 directs that there needs to be a single law, that is a uniform civil code for all citizens irrespective of their religion. In the light of the same, the Honorable Supreme Court of India in Muhammad Ahmad Khan versus Shah Banu Begum in the year 1985 directed that appropriate steps to be taken for passing a law on uniform civil code in the matters of marriage, divorce, property succession, etc. However, Indian Parliament has not taken any steps in that direction so far. So, as of now, each religion has its own personal law with respect to marriage, divorce, property succession among members of that religion.
Thank you for watching. This brings us to a close on the intestate succession laws among the Muslims, Christians, and Hindus. See you next week with another legal topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye.